Today I'm doing a very different video. It's not a workout, it doesn't have anything to do with fitness really, but I'm really enthusiastic and into this bullet journaling. I've done it for a year now and it has helped me so much in my studies as well because everything's so crazy, and I thought maybe it's also interesting for you guys to see how I manage my time as a dancer in school. If you're really interested in this stuff, I can do a full-length flip through of my old bullet journal because now I have a new one. And that's why I'm filming this, to show you all my new bullet journal and how I make it all nice. I thought it's also a nice introduction into like a healthy lifestyle because for me, my bullet journal helps me to be more healthy. So maybe I can do some meal preparation videos and stuff like that if you like to see that stuff. But if you're not interested in this stuff, then you just can go ahead and watch my other videos if you feel like it. But yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, this is my bullet journal, and look, I did my nails pretty for you as well. So you have something nice to look at. My other bullet journal had like this kind of color. Yeah, that was kind of random, sorry. But I love this color. This is one of my favorites. So this is the Leuchtturm 1917. And yeah, so the front page is just my name. I don't really use the content, to be honest. Okay, so the first page is a quote that I find quite fitting to my situation. It says, "The one who falls and gets up is so much stronger than the one who never fell." Because I like to think of myself as a strong person, but I also feel like I fall all the time. So I'm just gonna take this as like an inspiration that it's okay if I fall, because I feel like I fall like all the time. Especially in my last year, if you saw my one video I posted like a few weeks ago, my second year at my school, I felt like I was just falling and I was stuck or was going backwards. But I'm trying to get stronger, so that's what I'm gonna focus on, even if I fall like all the time. Yeah. Okay, so now we're moving on to my yearly log. I have all the months here, and I will write down events and things like that in these corners here. So it's from September to August. And ignore this part. I was using these pens from my mom, and they were not good for the bullet journal, so I'm trying to find a way to get this out of there. Here, this is my school year planner. So I have all the months where I will write down school events. For example, I have my graduation here. I will have shows there and there. I can go home there. And like little things, events like rehearsals and things like that, I can write in here. Yeah, I know these 2 months I'm not even in college anymore, so I don't know why I have them there, but just ignore that. Here again, I have my goal tracker for the year. So I will write down goals for each month. And again, these two are, oh, I haven't fixed that yet, sorry. But these two aren't really relevant anymore because I'm not in school. But I like to have goals for each month. And here I have my dance technique tracker where I'll write down all the things I need to improve on in dance. Double pirouettes, triple pirouettes, like clean ones, you know. Dynamics, I struggle with that. I have like the same dynamics all the time. Ankle strength, I'm working on that. Yes, I need to pick up choreography much faster. I need to have higher extensions. I need to know some tricks. I don't know any tricks. For auditions, that's quite useful. Better body control, or working with the core in the center. Like I use my core at the bar, but not at the center. And performance, having no fear, no negative doubt in class. So I struggle with that a lot. I have such negative things in my brain when I'm dancing, so that's not good. But it helps me to see what I need to still work on. Okay, so this is my fitness tracker. I have all the months. I will take my measurements of everything, and then I have one here. It says happy. If I'm happy with my weight, or not weight, with my body, because it's not about weight. And this column is probably for like 10 push-ups, if I can do those, 20 push-ups, or 15 sit-ups, you know, things like that. Little goals I can set myself. I'll probably put here and see if I achieve them, like little challenges. This is just for me to track my weight and everything, but not exactly to go by it too much. I need to figure out what my body says to me sometimes. I'm bigger now than I used to be 1 year ago, but I eat better and I exercise more. Things like that I don't really understand, so I need to figure that out, and I hope this will help me. So here are my future career goals. Yes. So obviously I'm becoming a professional dancer. At least in my 3rd year, I'm trying to do that. And what I need for that, like professional headshots, body shots, a show reel, master classes, workshops, work experience, audition experience. But I also want to improve on like acting and singing. So these are things I want to do. Take classes and build up deeper knowledge of acting and things like that. I already talked to my uncle, he's an actor, so he's good things to say. But I also want to become a fitness trainer at some point. I want to become certified as a personal trainer, and I want to make proper workout videos on YouTube. I know mine are still like homemade, so it's a bit hard if I'm still in college and things like that. I want to get sponsored maybe, because people always ask me what I wear in my videos, and it'd be cool if someone would sponsor me too. That'd be awesome. But I also want to look proper fit and ripped and get nice pictures for my channel as well. These are just projects I'm working on and ideas that I have. Projects are like dance projects, video projects, YouTube projects, and ideas are just, I always have random ideas, so I can put them here. These are meals that I want to write down for each, section. Sometimes I'm a bit lost, what should I eat? Next page is my grocery list. Things I buy. I eat lots of vegetables and fruits. I don't eat rice or pasta or bread much, but like all the other things I do eat. And I have dark chocolate as the sweet. And I have Fat Fridays where I can eat sugar anyway, so that's awesome. And here are just recipes and meal ideas. As a college student, this would help me a lot, I think, because I sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. And I make meal preparations on Sunday evenings for the week, so I can write those here. Moving on. Here's my wish list, things I want to have and buy if I have the money ever. So that was just the introduction to my bullet journal, basically, and now we're starting with September here. If I ever do a video of my old bullet journal, you'll see this is so different from what I used to do. I used to have a word of the month, but now I have like a little quote here. The quote is by me. It's not from some intelligent person, it's just me. I want to have a theme for each month. So this theme is like Mediterranean olives. Ignore this, I tried something out and it looks horrible. Okay, so this is my month. I'm really happy about this page, you guys. This makes me really happy to look at because all my other months didn't turn out this well. Yeah, I should actually make a video about my old bullet journal because this is completely different. So I'm trying out the dot things here. You have like dots and then work, exactly. Like I have work here on these days, for example, or like when do I upload videos? That's quite helpful, I think. I start college here, and right now we're here. So I have 2 more weeks. Yes, I need to book my flight though, so I need to do that so I can write it here, to do. And then I have my monthly goals. This is kind of similar to the goals I have here and my dance goals, so I can put them here for the month, like what I want to focus on. This month I would be focusing on like staying motivated and doing fitness every day, even though I'm at college, but I need to, like abs every day. Holding my core in the center, that would be one, for example. And then I have weekend habits. So you know the habit trackers? I have one here. This layout is inspired by someone as well, so I can link that somewhere, I guess. But I have a weekend habit tracker. During the week at college, I don't really do much. I just go to school at early in the morning. I come back late at night at 9. So I don't have much time to do anything. But on the weekend, I need to do everything, so I'm prepared for the week. I do like laundry, shopping, and meal preparation. I do my bullet journaling. I maybe go to church. I have studio time on Saturdays most of the time where I exercise and I choreograph or I just film, I don't know, and work on YouTube. That didn't work out last year at all because I was way too stressed. I didn't have time at all. Like Saturdays we had school as well. I hope this work out better this year, so this is gonna help me hopefully to work on that. Yeah, I'm sorry again about last year where I didn't really upload anything. But I hope this will help. Things I want to upload and edit. And then I have habits, just little ones, right down here. This is things I do every day. I write down things I'm thankful for and things I pray for. This design is inspired by an Instagrammer. I can link her somewhere as well. Yeah, I try not to copy, I try to get inspired. Then I have my finances, what I spend my money on and how much it is. I just write down, I went to Mercadona, that's like the shop in Spain. How much did I spend? Like 20 euros, whatever. And I try only to shop on the weekends. That's actually the only time I have time anyway. But I try to do that, not to spend any money during the week. And then I write down my daily lesson, something I learned, something inspiring. And I haven't finished this yet, I'm sorry. But I will have a morning routine and an evening routine. I feel like I'm so much more productive in a day if I have a proper morning routine, if I exercise, if I eat well, if I wake up and like am focused, then I'm so much better and I feel like I have a purpose in life. And evening routines is really helpful for college because I come home, at 8 or whatever, and then I need to prepare my lunch, prepare my bag, make my dinner, shower, but I also like to relax, so there's sometimes no time to relax. So maybe reading a book or something like that would be helpful. Really need to work on my evening routine when I'm at college because it sometimes ends up me just throwing everything into my room and just dying in my bed, and I don't want to do that anymore. So the next page is like a layout for my week, what a week would look like. I'm really happy about this layout as well. As you can see, I continue the style. Ta-da! And I don't know about the other weeks if they look the same. That might be a bit boring, I know. We'll see. I'm really sorry about this video. It's kind of long. Maybe I'm talking too much. This layout is really new to me. I always try to be inspired by people and then have my own twist to it. Here I write down a Bible verse of the week, basically. I try to learn it by heart, but I don't really have the time sometimes. Here I write to-dos for the week, just for the week. And here I have a focus that I want for the week. That helps me to be focused in dance class. If I focus on clarity and movement, then in every class I'll focus on that and then I improve on it. And then maybe on this page if it says clarity and movement, then it can do like, ta-da, oh, it says it here. So it can be, ta-da, I did it. And if I feel like I improved. If not, then too bad. That really helps me. Little goals I can write here. Every day I want to do 10 push-ups. Or I could go deeper with the focus. I could be like, clarity and movement means to blah, blah, blah. And here I want to write down some thoughts I had the week. If it was a happy week, if I have really depressing thoughts, whatever is on my mind. This is similar to the mood tracker. I did that in my other bullet journal. I made like a mood mandala and that was lots of fun, but I don't think I have the time anymore once I'm at college. Goals of this bullet journal is to make myself feel organized and be prepared for the next week and make things easier for me. Here are just the days, and I like to always write down events here. I can put them in a little box, be like, okay, doctor's appointment here, ballet here, give classes here, and then I have one column here for next week, anything that happens. And that's it, like that was just the start of my bullet journal. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm sorry I talked so much. I wasn't planning on talking that much. But let me know if you like these videos. I can continue them. I'm really enthusiastic about bullet journaling, so I like to share it with people. And I love an organized life. I'm German that way. Yeah, let me know what you thought, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye guys!